And it is completed, guys. This is our 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. And look at that beautiful interior. Welcome. And we have the car of the day, guys. This is a 2023 Dodge Charger. And guys, this is a beautiful interior. This is the Scat Pack. And guys, this will fit the 2015 to 2023, the Police, the RT, the Hellcat, the GT, and the SXT. All those model, guys. And in this case, we are doing black wrap, guys, with the ash inserts in the center. And this vehicle is equipped with cooling and heating from factory, so we don't gonna add any of that. And it has the contrast stitch, beautiful interior, guys. The Scat Pack. Let's take a look at the car. This is actually a toy, guys. Beautiful vehicle. This is the Hemi. Fantastic vehicle. Proud owner. And guys, it's nothing wrong with this interior. Actually, it's a high-end interior from factory. This was equipped with Alcantara suede, which is this one right here. It has the door already been made in synthetic. It has the suede headliner and sunroof. This is not your average Charger. This is the Scat Pack, guys. But there is a situation here. The owner wants leather everywhere. So we're gonna get rid of the suede because this is more like a custom choice for the client. So we're moving from black suede to ash inserts for this particular car, guys. Beautiful interior. You have to see how it's gonna end up, guys, because you want to do these kind of transformations in your vehicles, guys. You want leather, go to LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology, so you can order factory match, custom designs. We have over 60 different colors, endless combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns. We have diamonds, double hex, honeycombs, and many other exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by Upholsterytechnology.com. And you can get also embroidery like that one right there. Beautiful. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installation for your beautiful leather interior at LeatherTeck.com by Upholsterytechnology.com. Because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. And wait, guys, until I complete this installation so you can see how beautiful this kit is gonna look in that other beautiful toy right there. This is a custom design, guys, to match the factory design in this Scat Pack. It means she has a premium cost, absolutely. It's not the base level, by no means. And this is a request. It was nothing wrong with this interior. It was actually beautiful, in my opinion. But We are here to transform vehicles for our clients, not for me. So we will do what the client asks us to do, guys. And this one, guys, it can go in the 2016, 2015 actually to the 2023. Guys, you can put this in the police, the RT, the Hellcat, the GT. Actually, if you have the Hellcat, you have to put the Hellcat instead of the Scat Pack logo. And guys, you want to do this transformation in your vehicle, LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. You can order a factory kit or a custom design just like this one. We have over 60 different colors, combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns, custom embroidery, guys, diamonds, double hex, honeycombs, and many others. Exotic materials like ostrich. We have alligator, suede skin, you name it, at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. Because guys, we teach you how to do these installations. We are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. Guys, visit Upholstery.com and fill up the contact form. We have a form right there in the website, guys. When you fill this form, guys, you're gonna get exclusive special prices and discounts only available for those in the list. This is like a exclusive club. So join, guys. Go to Upholstery.com and fill up the form so you can get notified and be part of this exclusive club and save a lot of money. The link is gonna be in the description too, so you can go there and save thousands or hundreds at least of dollars, thousands compared to the dealer prices when it comes to things like this. And if you have a special inquiry, please text me, call me. We have a contact widget in our website so you can chat with us or you can call us directly. Depends what is that you need, guys. So we have you covered with custom materials. Let me tell you something, guys, that we just start to do. If there is something that we don't have, we can make it. It's gonna have a premium cost because we have to do the patterns, we have to put everything in the computer, we have to digitize your interior. But as for now, we have basically all vehicles, all brands available. This is a big announcement, guys, because we used to exclude certain luxury brands. But as for today, guys, you can order anything for any vehicle in any year, in any color combination. This is a game changer, guys. So we have you covered 100%. No more excuses. Just remember, like I say, it's gonna be a premium cost because we have to digitize the patterns and make everything so it can run in the computers. Because, guys, this is industrial process. It's custom make, but we pass the savings to you when we buy in bulk and we produce in bulk. So that's why we are able to offer you these prices and these guarantees. That's another peace of mind that you need to understand, guys. This is not just we make it and that's it, forget it. No, you have 3 years, and we are about to extend our guarantee from the 36,000 miles to 50,000 miles, guys. So now you have more reasons to upgrade to leather. So let me know in the comments what do you think about the new announcement. So 50,000 miles of guarantee, and now you can have virtually any car being produced in any kind of color, guys. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next project. I wanna see this interior again. It's so beautiful, guys. I just impressed for how beautiful it looks. Nothing compared to what you saw in the bench this morning. Get it, guys. You want this.